My name is Paul Moak, and we're here at my studio, The Smokestack, in Berry Hill in Nashville, Tennessee. So I'm a producer, mixer, engineer, musician, and writer, and which is a lot of different hats, but it means that I'm in this building all the time. So I've been fortunate enough to work with a wide variety of artists. Some would include Relient K, Matt Carney, The Weeks, Leagues, Third Day, and been fortunate enough to be nominated for 5 Grammys. So we go through a lot of data here. We're tracking audio all day, every day. When you've got a session that's 24 or 48 or even up to 100 tracks, as the minutes roll by, it can really add up, and you don't really notice it when you're tracking because one WAV file for one song could be a very small amount of information, but as a project builds, you look back and realize we've used a couple of terabytes on this project, and we've only been in here for a week. So when we first realized we needed to keep everything in-house, even if it's being delivered to a company, we came up with a very archaic now system of putting things on hard drives and then storing those in a fireproof safe and being able to pull those out when needed. You know, there's a certain prayer that you'd have to say when you plug it in, like, "Dear God, please fire up," you know. At the time it worked great, but we've done 10 years worth of recording since then. For me, being on the creative end, trying to push the artist to get their vision captured, the last thing we want to worry about is how much hard drive space we have. I think for us moving forward, having a state-of-the-art drive that helps us save time and have storage capability and really not have to worry and just worry about making music that's exciting to me.